Hi, Chris from Falcon Technology. Today I'm going to introduce to you the FALCON EVO DTV. This is a very popular product for those who wish to upgrade to have internet fitted to their van but don't want to drill a hole on the roof of the van. They may already have a directional TV antenna, one they have to push up, turn around and point. Removing that type of technology antenna now allows us to use the existing hole and fit instead a TV antenna, and that doesn't need to be pointed because this TV antenna is omnidirectional, so it collects signal 360 degrees without the need to point the antenna. This antenna also has dual technology, where it also has an internet antenna and a television antenna all together as one. So without the need to drill a hole, you can install this and have peace of mind. You have no issues with warranties as regards to drilling any holes. Replace the existing antenna with one antenna that delivers two technologies. So the internet antenna is 5 times stronger than the antenna in your mobile phone. So where connection is poor, then connection is improved because of the greater gain of this antenna, and of course better positioned on the roof of the van. So now you have one antenna that delivers live television or internet connectivity for internet TV, browsing, streaming, or just being connected. Choosing your router for your EVO DTV, it could be a 5G router or a 4G router or a 4G router at 150 megabits per second. The other 4G router is twice as fast at 300 megabits per second. With the EVO 5G antenna, a good choice is a 5G router, so you now have a 5G antenna and a 5G router. Should you go camping to a location where there is no 5G service, this system will step down and deliver a 4G service. However, future-proofing your purchase in time to come, when 5G is rolled out, now you will get 5G because you have a fully 5G system. The routers are also portable, so you can remove the router from your docking station, which this docking station is normally fitted inside one of your wardrobes in the van, but now you have a portable router allowing use on the move. This also comes with a lithium battery, as all the routers do, but the important thing is it's also got the external antenna inputs, which allow us to now go back to our motorhome or caravan, plug in a power supply and add the antennas which are connected to the antenna on the roof, giving greater connectivity. So if you're looking for an installation on the EVO 5G DTV, then give us a call on 0800 622 474 or drop us an email or direct message us from Facebook. Thanks for watching. Bye now.